for the most consecutive hits ever, back and forth.
900.
900 for ping pong. But with any sport,
You must stretch.
You must stretch. So
Go.
first,
Don't forget those hits.
and most importantly, Gluteus Maximus. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on. Okay.
Here we go. Here we go, Austin. We start.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6, 7.